Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the server in Metatrader 5. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application opens and you can see the main trading interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll find various options for managing your trading platform. At the top of the screen, locate and click on Tools. This menu contains essential settings and configurations that allow you to customize your Metatrader 5 experience. Clicking on Tools will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your platform's functionality. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Options. This is where you can access all the core settings for your Metatrader 5 platform, including account configurations, chart preferences, and server connections. The Options window is your control center for personalizing how the platform operates. Once the Options window opens, you'll see several tabs at the top. Navigate to the Server tab by clicking on it. This tab is specifically designed to manage your connection settings and allows you to switch between different trading servers provided by your broker. Different servers may offer different features or be optimized for specific regions, so choosing the right one can improve your trading experience. Now, within the Server tab, you'll see a field labeled Server. This is where your current server connection is displayed. Next to this field, you'll notice a drop-down arrow. Click on the drop-down to reveal a list of available servers. Your broker typically provides multiple server options, and each one is designed to handle connections from different regions or account types. From the list that appears, select your preferred server by clicking on it. Take a moment to choose the server that best suits your needs, whether it's based on your geographical location or the specific account type you're using. Selecting the right server ensures a stable and fast connection to your broker's trading infrastructure. After selecting your desired server, click the OK button at the bottom of the Options window. This will save your changes and apply the new server settings to your Metatrader 5 platform. The platform may briefly reconnect to establish the new server connection, so give it a moment to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully changed your server in Metatrader 5, which can help optimize your trading performance and connection stability. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.